Hello, thank you for joining me on my channel. It's Natasha, and today I woke up in the mood for a wash and go, but I discovered I have one gel that flakes, then I have no custard or curl cream, and the only thing I have right now literally is mousse. So this is the mousse I have, the Lotta Body mousse with coconut and shea oils. So yeah, I did a bit of a search and I discovered some people actually do wash and goes with mousse only, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to use anything else. Like, I just washed my hair, as you can see it's damp, and that's it. So I washed my hair, there's nothing in it right now, and then I'm just going to use the mousse and we'll see how it goes. So this is going to be a mousse only wash and go. Water, I don't think it applies, but yeah, mousse only wash and go. So yeah, if you're going to join me in this experiment, thank you very much. I hope it works, because I don't really find this mousse these days. Like, I bought this a while back and I haven't seen it since. So if I waste this, I'm going to be really upset. So yeah, if you want to see how my experiment with mousse only goes, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post. And yeah, too much talking, let's do this. for how fast this stuff dries. Like, it's so disrespectful. It couldn't wait to disappoint me to the end. Like, I'm already so disappointed. How disrespectful. Look at. Ugh. Like, I'm already like the whole. I've done this part already, and this side. I'm left with this thing. And it looks like this. Like I'm starting. Oh. What's this? So it dried a bit now. It dries fast, actually, very fast, so that's a plus. But for what it's supposed to be, I feel like this is a fail, a very big fail. Okay, the last time I did a wash and go, I used a gel, and this is how it looked. As compared to this one, so I don't think I'll be doing this again. Maybe if I add something more, maybe a butter or a curl cream to help it hold, because it doesn't have slip, so my fingers kept tangling in my hair. It was like a very painful process. Plus yeah, it doesn't really clump. Does it clump? It doesn't really do that nicely either. So like, yeah, it does define the curls, but then not in like a slick kind of way. It's like a fluffy kind of defined curl. The shrinkage is real. Just look at that. Shrinkage is too real. Where's my length? Okay, yeah. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. This is a fail. Won't be doing this again. Different products, maybe add some few things to change it up. Maybe, but yeah. So Let me know what you think. Comment, let's talk, let's chat. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, I'm looking at this side of my head. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like, share, let's grow this channel. Thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. Like, I hadn't posted for some time, but my channel still reached 10,000 and now it's almost going to 11,000, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. And yeah, we enjoy this journey of hair and everything else that comes with it together.